This just come out of my ultrasonic cleaner. Actually came out from yesterday. And this came out of my batch that I just got from the auction. Little pipe plant Pete Boston Burglar. Thought I would give it a spin.
I was born in Boston City, a place you all know well. I was raised by honest parents, so the truth to you I'll tell. I was raised by honest parents and feared most tenderly. When I became a wild young man near the age of 23, and in my character was taken, they locked me up in jail. My friends found out 'twas all in vain to get me out on bail. The jury found me guilty, the clerk he wrote it down. The judge then passed my sentence and a cooked in jail 3 pounds. They put me on an eastbound train, 1:40 p.m. a day. And as I went through the station, I could hear those people say, yonder goes that Boston burglar, see how he's all bound down. For some great crime or another, he's cooked in jail 3 pounds. Now you that have your liberty, pray keep it if you can. Don't run about the streets at night or break the laws of man. For if you do, you'll find yourself just all bound down like me, serving out